Okay, let me show you what this thing is doing. First of all, you got to hit the key a few times for it to start. So, okay, there it goes. Now the colder the motor is, the more times you got to do that. Sometimes you got to do it 6 or 7 times, but it will finally start and it'll idle. So right now, we're idling right at 1,000. And then I've got a meter hooked up to the signal wire coming back off the throttle position sensor, and you can see I got 0.7 volts. Okay, idle just dropped down. Now we're at 800, which is about where you want to be. So as long as you don't touch the gas pedal, it'll stay like that. And I'm still 0.7 volts. But now watch, as soon as I touch the throttle, I got slack in my throttle cable, so it's not binding up. Okay, now we're at 2 grand. Or right about there. 1,800. And it'll stay there for a long time. I mean, sometimes if you drive it a half hour or so, it'll drop back down, but then as soon, you know, when you're coming to the stop sign, then as soon as you hit the gas again, it hangs up again. And I'm still right at 0.7. Now if I run the throttle up and down, which I can't do while I'm holding this, it'll go between 0.7 volts at about 4.5 at wide open and back down. There don't seem to be any dead spots in it. So that's the issue. And any help you can give me would be most welcome. So that's all. Oh, one more thing. I'm wondering if somebody messed with the idle screw on this thing, because I read somewhere if you pull the idle air control wire off, it should drop down to 600. But when you do, it just kills it. So that screw for the idle adjustment, which is right there, that may not be right. I may have to reset that too. I'm wondering if this was a high idle problem they had with the car that this thing came out of, and they ran that screw in trying to solve it. So, okay, that's all.